Dark empaths combine empathy with malevolent traits. Their empathy makes them addictive to others. They can understand and manipulate emotions effectively. This understanding can create a false sense of connection. Victims often feel intensely understood and valued initially. Dark empaths are skilled at feigning genuine emotional connection. However, their malevolent side gradually emerges. They exploit vulnerabilities to control and manipulate. The manipulation often leaves the victim confused. Victims may struggle to understand the toxic relationship. Dark empaths can be charming and charismatic. They use their charm to gain trust. Once trust is gained, manipulation intensifies. Victims often feel trapped by emotional ties. This feeling of entrapment intensifies the addiction. Victims may isolate themselves from other support. This isolation deepens the control of the dark empath. Breaking free is challenging due to emotional bonds. Dark empaths often have narcissistic tendencies. Their need for control can become destructive. They derive satisfaction from emotional manipulation. This manipulation impacts victims' self-esteem. Victims often question their own worth and judgment. The cycle of abuse can become deeply ingrained. Awareness of dark empath traits is crucial. Recognizing manipulation is the first step to freedom. Building external support networks can aid recovery. Understanding personal self-worth is essential. Therapy can provide strategies to regain autonomy. Developing emotional resilience counters dark empaths' manipulation. A strong support system can aid in recovery.